Welcome back to our 28-day challenge, Tai Chi and Qigong for seniors and beginners, standing edition. Today, we are going to cover butterfly dances in front of flowers, or for short, dancing butterfly. Let me turn to the side so I can show you, because this has a forward and a back bend component. So if you go forward a little bit and backward, forward and backward. Find your comfort zone. It doesn't need to be past your comfort zone. What is simple, what is soft, what is safe. Forward and back bending of the spine is one of the major benefits. Opening up the chest is another benefit. This pumping motion increases circulation, including the lymph system. The breathing is traditionally reverse breathing, which is exhaling out and inhaling forward. But if you want to reverse that, that's fine too. Just keep it consistent. Long, slow, deep breaths. And of course, the sigh of relief if you can. So butterfly dances in front of flowers. Bending over, inhaling the flowers. Our wings come along with the movement, the forward and back movement of the spine. Inhale, exhale. Relax, flow. Just some forward and backward bending of the spine. Please practice with me so that you will feel the effects and get the benefits. Come to your spot, Wuji position. The feet are hip width apart, knees softly bent. Ergonomic standing position, bottom heavy, top light. We float the head by straightening up the entire upper body. We've shifted the body. Let's shift the breath. And the mind, relaxed in focused mind, calm and tranquil. We're going to focus our mind on interoception, feelization of different parts of our body as we relax from head to toe. Relaxing all the muscles of the face, the throat, the chest, the core, the legs. One more time. Inhale and exhale. Relax all at once. We're relaxing into our structure. So our structure is going to hold us. We are letting go of any unnecessary tension. And as we let go, our structure will support us, and the body may drift. Now the back of the body, the back of the head, the neck, shoulders, all the muscles of the back, hips, glutes, back of the legs. One more time. Close your eyes if you feel safe. It allows us to use this skill of interoception, the feelization, being able to feel where we are holding excess tension and release it. Let's go inside the body, searching, feeling, releasing, softening, letting go. How does breathing feel to you? Enjoy that feeling. Enjoyment becomes joy. and gratitude. And they all mix together and blossom out with a smile from the heart. First exercise this week, lifting water. Like water is lifting up your hands, like a wave is raising your hands, no force, and then dropping them back down. Linking breath with motion, breathing in as you go up, breathing out as you go down. Inhale up, exhale down. Inhale up, exhale down. Forget about the form so much. Concentrate on the breathing, then forget about the breathing so much. Concentrate on enjoying this practice. Relaxed, focused concentration. The hands float down and then palms up alongside the body, lifting sun and moon. And down. Inhale up. Exhale down. Breathing in. Breathing out. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale up, pause at chest level, holding sun and moon, and rotate the palms to the front, pushing out. Lifting fingertips up, pulling the palms back alongside the chest, dropping the palms, pushing out. Circular motion, breathing in as you open up the chest, breathing out as you push out. The body sways, drifts. It can move a little bit. It's not rigid. Soft, gentle, continuous motion. Meditation in motion. Mindful movement. Leave the hands out. Fingertips towards the sky. Relax. Relax. You can move to relax. Breathe. Enjoy. Turn the palms to the sky. Continue enjoying this movement, adjusting your posture. Breathing, relaxing, softening. Pull the palms in alongside the chest, holding sun and moon. Open up the chest so you can breathe a nice, long, deep breath. Hands float down, palms toward the ground. Palms turn slightly toward the back. Butterfly dances in front of flowers with a forward bend, inhaling the fragrance. Arms come along. They're now wings. Straighten back up, backward bend. Exhale. Flapping the wings, inhale, forward. Exhale, back. Now just relax. We're opening up the chest. Let out any stuck emotions. Tension. Anything else. Allow the motion to increase your circulation. And then just let go and let your body continue to sway a little bit, supported by your structure. Find your center of gravity and come back to your Wuji position. Keep your eyes closed. Rub your hands together. Generate friction. Palms over the eyes. Warmth penetrating into the eyes. Enjoy the darkness. Enjoy the stillness. And then blink open your eyes. Lift your palms. More light in. Dry wash the face. And rub the ears. Rubbing coins. Doesn't matter how. Increasing circulation and energy, bringing us back to life, reintegrating from a meditative experience back into our daily life. Thank you for joining me.